Today we're leaving Los Barillies and going to San Bartolo. The girls have a Mexican cooking class. Come and check it out with us. Hi, we are Steve and Lisa Anderson with our granddaughter Kaylee. We own a 2015 Grand Design fifth wheel and a 1998 Okanagan truck camper. I do RV repairs and renovations. Together we travel Canada, Mexico, and the US. Come with us as we invite you to join us to start living again.
Hasta luego, Los Barillies. Viva la Mexico!
Well, that's gonna be.
Well, we're still here, so.
Okay, so here we are. Welcome to Lourdes's garden. Let's do some introductions so we know everybody. I'm Sheila, anyways. I own the ice cream shop in San Bartolo, and I do translations for Lourdes's cooking class.
I'm Kaylee. I'm staying with these two.
Staying with.
She's our granddaughter.
Sus abuelos.
Oh. ¿Y las chicas acá?
Okay, you?
I'm Lisa, married to Steve,
Uh-huh.
grandmother of Kaylee.
Okay. Ella es Lisa, esposa de Esteban y abuela de ella. Okay, so anybody like something to drink? We have coffee, we have Damiana tea, we have agua de Jamaica. Would anybody like anything to drink right off the bat?
Okay, so anywhere.
So you know what this is for. This is so you don't get it all over your clothes.
That won't help.
I thought we were supposed to just like pour it down there.
No, well that's.
Picture this, the rose between two thorns.
You're going to be good comedy.
Everyone got an apron. Everybody want to go and wash their hands.
No, I don't have an apron. I lost
We all
mine.
touching food together. No, Denise's. She was Renee's partner. Renee's business partner, not love partner, but business partner. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was 8 years ago.
It's sticking to my
February
hand.
22nd. Orange came out of her mother making tortillas.
So you're saying that at Walmart there's a lady behind the
Oh, there
behind
it
the
is,
wall
yeah.
and she's
There's a
like
little wall.
making them
She
like
gets
that and then
flipping them
throwing
out.
through the wall.
That's right. Passing them through.
She's
We
pretty
tried
quick.
to press before. We did, but we didn't. We just, well, so the way that you make corn tortillas is with the press. You can't slap them like that. But the flour
So you're saying when I
turned
lived in
on
the
to
basement
that.
suite, I didn't live under elephants? It was just people making tortillas?
That's right, they were making tortillas all the time.
Tortilla factory?
So she put this on, it's churros, no? She put this on really early this morning and got the beans cooking because it takes about 3 hours to cook. So they've just been now sitting and cooking and now they're ready. So that's pinto beans and start the process of cooking the meat for the...
Bueno,
for the
el proceso de las carnitas lleva más de 2 horas.
So the process, it takes about 2 hours to make carnitas.
Vamos a poner primero,
Yeah, that's why we're starting early, right? And then we can move on to the other things.
vamos a poner a calentar la manteca.
Ajá, so
Mientras la manteca se calienta, vamos a hacer cebollas asadas.
Right.
Porque las carnitas llevan un proceso de 2 horas y media más o menos.
Okay, so first she's going to heat that up and they're going to get the fire as well.
Oh, we get to cook
Everything just has to be done in a process, right? Or it doesn't get
You
to
get to
be-
cook up
it doesn't
onions,
get
your favorite.
Done in time, so we can't eat all. Make
Yeah.
a special top. Yeah.
The problem we're going to see now moving forward is Lisa's going to want one of
That's why we
those
asked
at
about
home.
tortillas because a lot of people don't want other people touching.
I can see it. She's already talking about a pizza oven, but I can see this happening.
Fuego.
If somebody wants to just grab some tongs and throw those in for her, then that would be really great.
Por eso no lo subieron.
Anybody want to do that?
Ya, está
That's
caliente.
fine.
¿Qué? Está caliente.
Sí.
No
So you adjust the temperature of the oven by putting more or less wood on, and she uses smaller wood so that it burns quickly, so that it has high heat right away.
Pop them in way in there,
And then
as far as you can stand it with your.
It's just like campfire
your
cooking.
hands. Okay. Come on, Lisa. Okay, your turn. Okay. So it's just to fry. I mean, it's like frying, right? You know, like you're frying chicken, or it's exactly the same thing. It's just that they're using fat, like this type of fat, rather than a canola or whatever we might choose to use.
Just all heart healthy.
Much healthier. I said, get your defibrillators ready.
¿Listo? ¿Alguien más? Vamos a echar ajo.
Okay, so there's unpeeled. Everybody like garlic? I guess we should have asked. Okay, go over there, John. Okay, so that's pork meat, and now we've got ribs. Someone else wanted to grab something?
So talk about this.
Yeah, we're at the cabin where the fire pit is. I'm sure your mom and dad wouldn't mind if we took that fire pit out, put one of these in, but have it open on the front so you could actually have a campfire in there.
Well, just be a raised campfire too.
Yeah, well, then your feet don't get warm.
But you're right, you could have it flat so that it's campfire on the front and the back so that it's cooking.
Right?
There's a project for me. Oh,
Always
good.
thinking.
And then you can have the grill and then put a lid over it and then have it like a pizza oven as well.
Wow.
The imagination coming out of us is incredible.
You guys are amazing.
Get on it.
And it's just rocks.
It's just rocks, that's right. And if I do it, then I rock.
That's right.
But rhubarb is not prevalent here, right? So, okay.
Oat seeds and all.
So getting those oranges. Oh, there's no one. They're up here, I guess.
You see the garlic, Don?
Yes, thank you.
Collectively, you guys can keep an eye on the fire, keep an eye on the vegetables. So the thing of it is, you guys are here together.
Yes.
And so, what you guys are going to do is you're going to be careful that you don't shoot seeds all over yourself. As a collective group, you're going to decide whether or not you want garlic, you want chili, you want seeds of chili, because that's what the spice is. Later on, you're going at the very end, you'll add cilantro if you like it. You'll add lime if you like it. Salt.
So now you can grab your thing.
No, thank you.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Pass.
¿Quieres que le ayude la Jessica y la Kaira?
We're just a participant, okay? Estar aquí.
Nice and smoky.
A saber. Si ellos necesitan.
Little tiny bit of a burn. That's pretty good.
¿Le puedes ir abriendo cada cebolla, Kaira?
I'd only throw about 2 of those seeds in if you're eating it.
Do you want onion on your sauce?
Nothing.
Okay. So, see, but it's all ready here, so if anybody wants onion to add into the salsa, then that's what you guys will do.
There we go.
I made this.
Look, and it tastes very yummy.
¿Quieres sacar, amiga?
Oh, sure.
¿Cómo van con los buñuelos?
Let's see here. I did all the hard work.
¿Qué tal les quedó? ¿Bueno?
Bueno.
¿Y la chica?
Okay.
I'm not cooking yet.
Had her since the beginning of September. Yeah, we didn't cross over
Despacio.
Hammer.
Right.
That's it. Slam her down.
Cocínate.
Yeah, there you go. Do it with your fingers, Kaylee.
El otro volteala.
You're
Volteala.
the saviors. You're not used to that.
Been doing this for
There
years.
we go.
We all get our own plates.
There we go.
I know that's. You have to share my tortillas though.
Yeah. Here we go.
Is it stevia approved? You can't answer it.
Oh my God.
It is good.
It's been a couple of days since the cooking class. You guys want to tell us what you thought of it and what it was you made?
We made. What did we make? We made homemade tortillas and
Salsa,
salsa and
carnitas,
carnitas.
Pork carnitas?
pork carnitas. They were really good.
What about the whole experience of it all? Was it fun the way they presented it? And would you go back again? Would you tell other people about it?
Oh, absolutely. I had fun that day. Yeah, overall experience, it was really good. I would definitely go back again. I wish I would have done it 4 years ago when I first wanted to. But I was really glad we went this time and Kaylee was able to come.
Yeah, and there was choices in the cooking class of what you could have made too, right? Not just the pork carnitas. That
Yeah, they offer making tamales and chili relanos. And I don't know if there's anything other than that.
Yeah, so when you do pick the class that you want to go to, it may vary, and they will put you in with a bunch of people that want to have the same thing.
Yeah, absolutely. They try to fill the class, and they usually fill it pretty fast. So yeah, we had a full class. I think there was 10 of us there.
I think they only really like to have 8.
Yeah,
They had extras because of us.
yeah,
That was nice of them.
yeah. Very nice of them.
Yeah. So,
The ladies were nice too.
the ladies were nice.
Yeah. Steve was there, but he was mostly there for the filming and the eating.
Filming and eating taste tester.
Yeah. Overall, I think it was really good.
Yeah. It was cool to see the process of how they made or how the pork was cooked because of all the interesting ingredients that was put into the pot with it.
Like Coca-Cola.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Coca-Cola was weird. And then we also squeezed some oranges and there was bay leaves and all that. It's just
Yeah.
many different ingredients.
Yeah, some garlic. And it's all done on an open fire.
That was so neat. Her garden is so nice.
Yeah, that's actually at Lourdes's house that this cooking class was. They have a ranch that they also hold them, but this one was at the house.
I think moving forward they're going to have them at the house because it's less travel time.
Yeah, less travel time for sure. But it was really good, and her garden is set up very nicely, and I really like the way they have the cooking fire set up, and the barbecue area that she built. And quite frankly, I wouldn't mind maybe duplicating something like that.
If there was something like that at home, that would be all right.
Yeah, exactly. And use briquettes instead of wood.
Yeah, because then we could do it all year round, or in the summertime when they have no fire ban.
Yeah, because usually we have a fire ban on during the summer, so
Yeah.
with briquettes you're still allowed to use your barbecue.
So, 2 thumbs up,
Four
4
thumbs up.
Here's 2 more.
6 thumbs up.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, Lourdes doesn't speak English, but Sheila was there to translate, so it was
Yeah.
good. Yeah, it was really good.
And Sheila has an ice cream shop in San Bartolo.
Yeah, called
Zupalotes.
Zupalotes.
Zopolotes.
Yeah.
So if anybody's in Los Barillies for any reason, it's only about 20-minute drive to San Bartolo, and she has great ice cream there. It's a beautiful ice cream shop on top of her house.
Yeah, lovely.
And it's very good. And they also sell like pots and stuff.
The pottery
cooking
pots,
pots.
the cooking pots that you can actually put on an open fire. I might actually try and find a couple to take home with us. We'll see.
Yeah, those things were cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so like we always say at the end of our videos, let's start living again.
Viva Mexico!
¡Viva México!
Salute!
Salud. Tequila.